Hey, can you check that for me? Already on it. Thank you. Oh, it's a DM on Instagram. Someone says, "Hey DK, just wanted to reach out and say that I really enjoyed Miyagi." That's pretty nice. But I think you should start taking yourself and your tutorials a little more seriously. Wait, what? I think I speak for everyone in saying you should quit goofing around on camera and focus on teaching the effect. Oh, but they said love your work at the end, so it's like a little compliment sandwich, kind of. Do people not think I take this seriously? Well, we are doing a skit right now where you talk to yourself again. You know what, that's not the point. Just go get me a suit. Okay, all right, which one? The black one. Black shirt, but no tie. That's a little too formal. I feel like we've created a monster. You don't take it seriously. Stop making the jokes. Hi, I'm DK Magician, and welcome to the Perfect Card Vanish. Originally published by Brow and Hugard in 1942, this vanish is easy enough for beginners, but still incredibly powerful. It opens up a world of possibilities in terms of routines, but in this tutorial, I'll simply be teaching you the basic method and mechanics behind the move so that you can start incorporating it into your own effects. So, without further ado, I'm DK Magician, and let's take a look at the Perfect Card Vanish. The basic handling of the Perfect Card Vanish is a variation on the classic tent vanish, or pickup vanish as it's referred to in Tarbell number 5. Essentially, you're feigning the action of palming a card as it's levered above the top of the deck, like so. To perform the Perfect Card Vanish, begin with the double facer on the face of the pack, followed by the card that matches the other side of the gimmick. In this case, it's the 9 of spades. Thumb off the double facer as you turn away from your spectator, and lever the card against your thumb, middle, ring, and pinky fingers so that the face is towards your audience. Then, with your other hand, come over as if you're going to palm the card and begin rotating back towards your spectator. Once your hand provides complete cover, pretend to palm off the card, allowing it to fall onto the face of the pack at the same time, and then whenever you're ready, make the card vanish. At speed, it should look a little something like this. Let's go over a couple extra tips for performing the Perfect Card Vanish effectively. One thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you mimic the actual movement of your hands if you were to really palm away a card from the deck like this. So, practice in front of a mirror, or film yourself on camera, and look at the little movements of your hands as you really palm away a card. For example, I noticed the thumb of my empty hand always starts out away from the card and then moves towards the side of my hand as I palm it away. I also notice that the thumb of my deck holding hand moves back towards the deck into mechanic's grip like this as soon as I palm the card off. So these are things that I try and focus on when performing the Perfect Card Vanish. My thumb starts out away and then comes down to my hand, and same with this thumb moving towards the deck. Another thing that you want to focus on is making sure that when you prop the card up and let it fall, that it lands square with the deck. Now you can do some minor movements with your hands to clean this up. If the card lands a little bit too far up, your index finger can cover and push this card a little bit forward, but it's more difficult if the card lands back here to clean this up because you have to push the entire deck underneath. So just focus on making sure that that card lands square to really sell the image of the vanish. So that is the tutorial for the Perfect Card Vanish. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a like and a comment down below. If you want to see more magic tutorials in the future or be the first to see the trailers for our upcoming decks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. If you want to follow us on Instagram, you can find us at organic_playing_cards. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can find me at DK Magician. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. So as always, I'm DK Magician. Peace out. It feels weird to say that while I'm wearing a suit. It feels very informal. Maybe I should do a... So, as always, I'm DK Magician, and I bid thee a farewell. Nah, it's so dumb.